Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting Adobe Illustrator tutorial. Let's create infographic design on 8 UX laws using Rotate and Pathfinder Divide tool. Draw outer reference circle 1000 by 1000 and inner 300 by 300 dimensions using ellipse. Use stroke and remove fill. Draw triangle using polygon tool with 3 sides, as shown. Go to Effects of Stylize Around Corners. Select Corner Radius equals 30. Select Triangle. Apply color from the swatches. Select Object and go to Object, Expand. Expand. Object expand that converts complex appearance attributes, such as strokes, effects, gradients, and patterns, into separate, editable vector shapes. Select Object and go to Rotate 360 degrees divided by 8 is equal to 45. Alt plus click for equal 360 degrees distribution. Control plus D to duplicate. Select each object. Replace normal color to gradient with 2 shades, as shown. Select all and go to Windows, a Pathfinder, or Divide and select each object. Change the white color to corner tips. Adding header numbers using Type tool. Adding header. Top 8 essential UX laws. Hick's law. Simplify options to reduce cognitive load. Fitt's law. The time to acquire a target is a function of the distance to and size of the target. Jakob's law. Users spend most of their time on other sites. Miller's law. The average person can only keep 7 + 2 items in their working memory. Organize content into smaller chunks. Tesler's law. Every application has an inherent amount of complexity that cannot be removed. It should be handled by the system, not the user. Aesthetic usability effect. Users often perceive aesthetically pleasing design as design that's more usable. Law of proximity. Objects that are close to each other are perceived as related. Use spacing to group related items. Law of similarity. Elements that share similar visual characteristics are perceived as having a related function. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more creative videos.